Student asked, Guruji, why do we call God as Bhagavan? Guruji said, like we call a person having dana, money as Dhanavan, and having good qualities, guna as Gunavan, God is called Bhagavan because he is having the Bhaga. Bhaga means fortune, luck, Aishwarya, valor, victory, resources, and Dhairya, Virya, and all the positive qualities of the highest order. That is called Bhaga. Since God is the repository of all these qualities, he is called Bhagavan. And in fact, there is only one Bhagavan, that is the Supreme Spirit or the Parabrahman. Though out of love we call many other living persons as Bhagavan, truly there is and there can be only one Bhagavan, that is the God or the Supreme Spirit or the Parabrahman.